Okay, now here's the second Hampton Bay Camera 2 Plus. Just like the other one, this is from February of 2004. Now you might be thinking, gee, this room looks familiar. And that is because this is my brother's room, which is where the Littleton used to be. And recently I took that down and replaced it with this, which is actually, I think that this is actually a major improvement over the Littleton, because for Hampton Bay fans, these fans are actually pretty good. And if you're wondering, no, I did not throw the Littleton off my roof. I sold it because even though Littletons are the worst fans made today, at least the newer ones, there might be some people that could possibly like them. I'm not one of those people, so yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I took down the Littleton and replaced it with this. Since my brother has headed off to college, I figured it would be a good time to replace his fan. Now, as of recording this video, this fan has been up here for I think 5 days now, and yeah, it's been pretty good. My only issue with it is that the light kit hangs just a bit too low. I'm about the last time I checked, I'm about 5'7", 5'8", and the light kit's like 2 inches above me. So yeah. Anyway, before I turn this fan on, I'm going to give you a closer look at it. Okay, now with that out of the way, let's get to demonstrating the fan. Here's the light. Works perfectly fine, as it should. Now here's low. Sorry about that. I'm sitting on a wooden chair, so you're probably gonna hear you're probably gonna hear that throughout the entire video. So okay, now here's medium. For some reason, this and the other one as well have a bit of a torque when you turn them on. When you turn them from high to medium. And yeah, I don't know what the deal is there, but it's no big deal. And I am feeling some air under it, which is good, obviously. Okay, now last but not least, high. On high, it does hum just a little bit, but it's not too unbearable. And it does wobble just a bit, but like I said, it's really no big deal. And it is pushing a decent amount of air because, like I said, these are actually pretty good fans for Hampton Bay. Okay, now time to turn it off. So there you have it. That is my second Cameron 2 Plus, and I hope you enjoyed this video.